Guys, this is my shoe makeover. So guys, I call these shoes right here when I take them and I do all of the stones and stuff like that, like those really colorful rhinestones outfits I do. So I call this my cotton candy collection. But guys, if you guys really look and see, I did the base of this shoe and I sprayed it gold, guys, because I wanted when you peek through that you will see more of the gold. So guys, if you want to change your shoe color, so guys, if you're going to work with, if you got like these shoes got fabric on it, but if you got shoes, if they say plastic or whatever, just kind of pay attention to what material your shoes is made out of, because sometimes you go get that red, if you got them patent leather shiny stuff, it might not stick as well. It might be sliding all around, but these is fabric. So this gold paint is going to suck right up really well. I put a garbage bag in it, guys, because I don't want to spray the inside. So this shoe is completed, guys. But what I'm going to do is sit this shoe on the porch, and I'm going to show you guys how to spray it and change the color. So if you guys, even if you guys don't want to do the stones like I did, but if you got a pair of shoes and you want some turquoise shoes or whatever, yes, you can buy the spray paint with the primer in it and you can change the color of your shoes. And if you don't want the bottom sprayed, guys, what you also do is tape that off. So I was okay with the whole shoe being gold because it's like a silver color now. So, okay, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so as you guys can see, I got the shoe outside and I actually got it on top of a paper bag. So you shake this up real good and just start spraying. And the reason why you want to put the paper bag down, because you don't want to wind up spray painting your sidewalk. And that's why I got the spray actually inside of the shoe, because I don't want to spray paint the shoe, the inside. So just have them in the coats that you need to hide the gold. So I do like one coat and then I wait and let it dry, and if it looks like it need more, I'm trying not to spray my phone, guys. So if you guys can see, it's coming along. So I'm going to let this sit, and then I'll see if I need a second layer. I'm going to try to get everywhere. So that would be how you change the color of some shoes. So as you guys can see, these are a couple still shots. So when the shoe dry, it'll be dry like that. So you definitely can change the color. Just me just showing you a different couple colors. And guys, you will have to pick the shoe up and spray around the sides. Oh, I didn't pick it up, guys, and show you guys yet, but definitely pick the shoe up and spray the bottom as well if that's what you're going for. Thank you.